Where do caravan owners take their caravans for servicing and repairs in Perth? PDA Caravan Repairs, that's where. With over 30 years of experience in the caravan industry, Peter the owner and David the customer service manager know a thing or two about caravans. Their experienced team specialises in general repairs and servicing, insurance and warranty work, fridge, toilet and awning repairs, as well as custom alteration jobs, from minor renovations to complete refits. They also service and repair motorhomes, hot tops and camper trailers. Located in Maddington, their workshop is fully equipped to handle all types of jobs. They also have licensed gas fitters on site for fridge repairs, gas installations and alterations. PDA Caravan Repairs is a preferred caravan repairer for many insurance companies and an authorised repairer for some of the industry's biggest names, such as Jayco, Dometic, Waco, Electrolux, Allco, Simplicity Suspensions and Thetford. PDA Caravan Repairs, Perth's premier workshop for caravan servicing and repairs.